What is matter? In our daily life, we come across various kinds of materials. All materials are made up of matter. Matter may be defined as something that has mass and occupies space. Matter occupies space. The amount of space occupied by an object is called its volume. When something occupies space, we can see it. However, small things like germs also occupy space, but we can't see them with our naked eye. We can see them only through a microscope. Matter has weight. All objects which occupy space have some weight. The object is called light or heavy depending on the weight it has. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. It tells us about the heaviness of an object. Mass of an object remains the same everywhere. On the earth, on the moon, or anywhere else in this universe. Weight of an object on the earth is the force with which the earth pulls the object towards itself due to its gravity. The weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the moon pulls the object towards itself. Radio signals, TV signals, and telephone signals are not matter. Light or sun rays, heat, are not considered as matter. Even emotions and feelings do not count as matter.